Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will review how to choose and toggle between different instruments. I currently have an order panel, a DOM, and a chart set up, and I have them all linked to the yellow instrument. So when I change one, they will all follow the same instrument. There are multiple ways. Very easy ways to click in the symbol search area and we can start to type. Let's say ES. I'll type ES and it will come up with anything containing ES. To see a list of all the instruments, I will just use a /. These are all the instruments that are currently available at this time in TopstepX. Keep checking back because we constantly add more instruments. So let's choose NQ, for example. NQ is on the chart. Since it's linked to yellow, NQ is on the DOM, NQ is on the order. We can choose a drop down here, and let's choose MYM, the microdowel. Since they are all linked, they all changed to MYM. We can also just start to type in here as well. MES. MES like that, and it will populate. I find it very easy to just make sure that I'm clicked in the chart. So there, I have the chart selected. And if I just start to type the instrument, for example, gold, G, it's coming up with everything that has a G in it, C. Or I can type in GOLD that you can see, and then click. That's a very easy way to change quickly. For example, ES, click. They all line up. NQ, click. CL, click. Very easy. Again, you can change it in the order panel, the DOM, the symbol search, or just by having the chart selected and type in the instrument you wish to see. Just be sure that they are all linked to the same color so they all change the same. This concludes the video on how to choose instruments.